The reason I chose SP Smart School is because it prepared me for my boards examination as well as for my competitive examinations. The previous year results have been a testament of this statement. With over 18 positions, 700 distinctions and the UT topper being from our school is our huge pride. The results of the competitive examinations have also been commendable. The students who are not a part of SP Smart School program have no idea what they are missing out on.
Transforming education through life skills and lifestyle learning.
Beyond books, excellence in sports, NCC and co-curricular activities.
At Kingstar, every facility speaks of quality and commitment. From professional cricket grounds to advanced indoor setups, Kingstar provides everything a young sportsperson needs to perform at the highest level. With commerce and humanities, we lay the foundation of careers in finance, business, and the social and governance sector, building leaders in finance and business, shaping leaders in society and governance. Highest positions in boards and competitive. NEET sure for medical students, JEE sure for non-medical students, and direct programs for commerce and arts.
Turning medical dreams into NEET success. 100 plus SP Smartians on the path to becoming doctors.
Admissions are open for classes 11 and 12 in medical, non-medical, arts and commerce streams. SP Smart School. Visit our campuses to register.